2, 3.
What's up, guys? Sorry for the vacuum in the background, but here's just a Mongoose L18 Leigion bike check. So of course we have this nice Mongoose seat, L18 stuffs, majiggies, things. You can see L18. We have some ODI grips, which I am psyched about. Mongoose handlebars with Mongoose frame, of course, and just some light thingy. A nice custom BMX headset. I forget what kind of wheels these are, but the tires are really grippy and stuff. And by the way, this is a comfort seat, so like there's a dent in the middle, So then we got a nice blue raspberry blue with Mongoose Leigion sprocket. With nice FT, what's it called, pedal thingies and whatever. And yeah, so if you have any more questions for this L18, leave them down in the comment section below, and we will see you guys later. Peace.